Hey guys, this is Jonathan Dickey with Dickey Real Estate, and I'm here at the Bradbury community here at Blackridge in Hoover. And I just want to show you some lots that are still available here. There are several, even some that have homes that are nearing completion. They're still available. So let's take a look around. And as you can see, the ones in orange are sold already, but here are the ones that are available, the ones in white. And let's look at a few of these. The Rigby 1A would be a 4-bed, 3.5 bath home. And as you can see, one of these is sold already, one still available. This is lot 1749, which you can see is still available. We have lot 1745 and 46, both available. You have a 5-4, the Cali 3B here, and then the Abigail 1A, a 3-2. This lot at 1743 is available. Lot 1741, this is a 3-2, it is also available. Lots 1733 and 34 are both available. This is for the Claremont 1B, which is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath home. Here is 1708 and 1707. Both of these lots are available as well. So give me a call at 205-936-3555 if you want to talk about securing your spot in the Bradbury community at Blackridge here in Hoover.